Welcome to this Technical Works Compliance video. In previous videos, we've looked at internal audits, corrective actions and other key elements of a quality management system. In this video, we will focus on document control. Document control is often seen as an administrative exercise, but it plays a vital role in ensuring that people within the business are working from the correct information. Whether it is a policy, procedure, form, template or work instruction, effective document control helps maintain consistency, reduce errors and support compliance. Let's begin by looking at what document control actually means. Document control is a process of managing documents throughout their life cycle. This includes creating documents, reviewing them, approving them, issuing them, updating them, and ultimately withdrawing them when they are no longer required. The objective is to ensure that people have access to the correct information when carrying out their work. Without effective document control, different members of staff may be working from different versions of the same document, leading to confusion and inconsistency. Businesses change over time. Procedures are updated, standards evolve, certification requirements change and lessons are learned through experience. Forms and templates may need to be revised to reflect those changes. If staff continue to use outdated documents, there is a risk that activities may no longer be carried out in accordance with the current requirements. Effective document control helps ensure that everyone is working from the most up-to-date information available. Many different types of documents may require control. Examples include policies, procedures, work instructions, forms, templates, and quality management system documents. The exact documents will vary depending on the size and nature of the business. The important point is that any document used to manage, control, or direct business activities should be appropriately controlled. This helps ensure consistency across the organisation. One of the foundations of document control is being able to clearly identify documents. This is often achieved through the use of document titles, document reference numbers, issue numbers or revision numbers, issue dates and review dates. These details help users determine whether they are using the latest version of a document. Clear identification also assists assessors when reviewing documentation during an assessment. Documents should not remain unchanged indefinitely. They should be reviewed periodically to ensure that they remain accurate, relevant and effective. Where changes are required, those changes should be reviewed and approved before the updated document is issued. Responsibilities for reviewing and approving documents should be clearly defined. This helps ensure that changes are controlled and implemented consistently. Changes to documents should be managed in a structured and controlled manner. Issue numbers or revision numbers should be updated where appropriate. Significant changes may need to be communicated to relevant staff to ensure they understand what has changed. At the same time, obsolete versions should be removed from use to avoid confusion. Effective change management helps ensure that everyone continues to work from the correct information. There are several common document control problems that assessors encounter. Multiple versions of the same document may be in circulation. Review dates may be missing. Obsolete forms may still be in use. Changes may be made without approval or documentation. Documents may also be stored inconsistently, making them difficult to locate when required. These issues can often be avoided through a simple but effective document control process. Assessors are often interested in how documents are managed within the business. They may review procedures, forms, templates and quality management documents. They may check whether documents have revision numbers, issue dates and evidence of review. Assessors will often follow the document trail through the organisation to determine whether document control arrangements are effective. Good document control provides confidence that systems are being managed properly. Document control supports many aspects of compliance. It helps ensure consistency, reduces the likelihood of errors, and demonstrates management control. It also supports continual improvement by ensuring that lessons learned can be incorporated into updated procedures and documents. Without effective document control, it can be difficult to demonstrate that the management system is functioning effectively. Document control does not need to be complicated. The objective is simply to ensure that people are using the correct documents, that changes are managed appropriately, and that obsolete information is removed from use. A well-controlled document system supports consistency, improves efficiency, and helps demonstrate compliance during assessments. It is one of the foundations upon which an effective quality management system is built. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing to Technical Works Compliance for practical guidance on MCS assessments, quality management systems, solar PV, battery storage, PAS 2035 and broader compliance topics. I'll continue to share assessment-based guidance and common compliance issues encountered within the industry. I look forward to seeing you in the next video here on Technical Works Compliance.